YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another one. We're going to talk about some Pepe today. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. Before we do it, I got to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just the homie Crypto J, just talking about some crypto today. As you guys can see, Bitcoin coming in at 102, seeing some sell off, right? We talked about it earlier in the week. We talked about it in today's live stream. We've been talking about it. Have you been watching? Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when I make new videos, right? Also, gotta let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor, not financial advice, just a homie, right? Don't buy nothing on this video. So you guys could see total market cap coming in at a 3.12, fear greed index coming in at a 37. Again, Bitcoin coming in at a 102, starting to break down, but can it see a rally back, right? Bitcoin dropped all the way as low as 98 just the other day, and now trying to make a retracement. It's going to take a little bit of volume, right? Because right now the price is not looking hot, right? We're still establishing lower highs here, not looking too good. And right, starting to actually trend sideways a little bit here, looking like a shoulder head shoulder on the 7 day. I think that there's a pretty good chance that this trend probably breaks down, to be honest with you guys. I don't know that for sure that that's going to happen. Anything could happen. But it just looks a little bit weak. In my opinion, we need to see a close above 104.5 on Bitcoin for this thing to still be looking good. As you guys can see right now, we're kind of creating a little bit of a bear flag. We've already really broken below um, this neckline here, and I'm thinking that we're probably sitting like right on support or right up against the resistance right now on probably like the 4 hour. I would assume pretty much right there. We need to break above this, but again, can Bitcoin do it? We do know that we a lot of the time see fake outs happen early in the week. Today is Monday, and again, we're creating kind of a wedge here. There's a good chance that we see a rejection off of this second Keltner channel here. And if we do, we could probably see some kind of sideways action. That's what I would assume that we would see. But again, we usually see a sell-off. We'll usually see a fake out on a Monday. So we'll see kind of what happens today. Again, there's a lot unfolding every hour. It seems like something's unfolding. Seems like there's always an announcement made like every single day of something radically changing in the country, or just news and foreign affairs and things like this that are just moving the market. And it's in my opinion, it's pretty crazy. I think it's too much a little bit, but at the same time, I feel like they do it on purpose. So there's a reason why they're always doing these announcements and stuff like this. Like the price is getting jacked around at the worst possible times. It's just so, in my opinion, like, okay, like a big day today. All right. And then something crazy happens, unforeseen, tanks the market, something like this. So it's just kind of been one of those markets, boys. You know how it is. Sometimes market looking heavily manipulated. Little frustrating, but at the same time, again, I don't think that Bitcoin has topped out. A lot of long-term indicators that show us that we have not seen the top of our cycle yet. So I'm patient with it. Again, not a financial advisor. There is a chance that we did see the top, right? There's a chance that this is a double top, right? Similar to what we have seen back here, this double top, right? Maybe playing out right here. That's a possibility, but again, I don't think so, just because our logarithmic's just showing that we haven't had a blow off top yet. So I think that we still have room in this cycle. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. I don't know. Again, not a financial advisor. You guys can see though a lot of blood in the streets on some of these coins, but Ethereum doing pretty decent today, still up 4% through the volatility. Some people having some confidence in the market, thinking that Bitcoin has already found a bottom at 98. We did talk about how important that retest was. It did happen. So maybe we could bounce off of this, but I just feel like the way that the price broke down and the fact that today's Monday, we see fake outs on Monday and we're pumping on today, I just feel like we might see a fake out happen today, but we'll see what happens. But as you guys can see, Pepe Coin looking like it, might be seeing some correction still as well. It is up today 4%, but again, has a long way to go, right? A lot of sell off happening really since May, right? May. A lot of the sell off started happening. Pepe Coin was making some good volume though. It was pumping, and then again, June has just been kind of a funky, crazy month. We'll see what July has in store. I mean, it's already the 23rd of June, and doesn't time just go by so fast? I feel like time just going by so fast. It's crazy. Let's see kind of what's going on with Pepe Coin right now and some of these indicators, right? Let's pull up some of our levels here that I like to look at. You guys can see that Bitcoin sitting right on that bottom Keltner channel there, possibly creating a wedge, maybe going to be able to bump off that, right? Putting a little bit of green on the daily. Needs to see a strong daily close though, for that to be looking good. Again, it does look like it's already seen a, not yet, hasn't seen a retouch, but it looks like it does, like it did get pretty close to touching it, right? That second Keltner channel right there. We'll see what happens with Pepe, man. This is going to be a volatile trade, that is for sure. Again, 87% of people bullish on Pepe, 13% of people thinking that Pepe is going to go down in price. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you bullish on Pepe again? Coming in at 3.85 billion. Pepe is one of the most talked about meme coins right now in terms of search volume. So again, I'm super bullish on that. And I also like the fact that it's just listed everywhere. It's on Binance, Coinbase, on a lot of these exchanges. Of course, again, this is a meme coin, so you never know where it's going to go. It could go super low, it could go to the floor. Again, it's sitting at 3.85 billion market cap, about close to 450,000 holders. But, I'm long on this. I do think that this will be a coin that does well if the space, can rally back. Again, there's a lot of foreign conflicts right now that are making the market go crazy. But I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish on it? Are you bearish on it? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you next one. Peace.